Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to 10 secant of t. If we put this one go in here, you will got about 100 secant of t squared, and later that 100 we can do about factorization. Secant of t squared minus 1 we change for tan t squared, and later that we simplify the square root. We do first the derivative for the both sides. You got about 10 secant of t tan t dt. So we put this one go in here, this one go in here. ds we change for this one. This one you got about 100 secant of t squared. 100 we can do about factorization. This one we change for tan t squared. The square root of 100 tan t squared, you got about 10 tan t. So we simplified 10 secant of t tan t, and now we just got about dt over 10. The integration of dt, you got about t over 10, and we put about c. About t, we need to return back in here. So we divide both sides by number 10. And we can get t equals to secant of s over 10. So we put this one to replace for t. And this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.